You look at the story of Karnataka, it's always favored the BJP when it comes to parliamentary elections most of the times. The story looks very, very similar, but it may be very challenging for the Congress because this comes soon after Congress had a big victory in the assembly elections. But nonetheless, largely it's always favored the BJP in the parliamentary elections. No surprises really expected in Karnataka as it were, but what are people saying? Was this an expected lines?
Exactly. As far as Karnataka is concerned, we did see aggressive campaigning, as far as Congress or BJP is concerned. We did see Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and the BJP chief JP Nadda also campaigning for the candidates here. But what seemed to be the talking point throughout this election was the Prajwal Revanna case. Will that impact BJP's, numbers in Karnataka is something that needs to be seen tomorrow. But right now we are joined by the voters of Karnataka here in Bengaluru, and let us take you across these voters. Sir, आपको क्या लगता है कि एग्जिट पोल्स में जो है जिस तरह से एक बड़ी जीत बीजेपी की दिखा रहे हैं, क्या आप इससे सहमत हैं? क्या आपको लगता है कि वाकई इतनी बड़ी जीत जो है बीजेपी को इस बार मिलने वाली है?
मैडम देखिए, सहमत और असहमत का बात नहीं है। ये एग्जिट पोल जो है एक रूट है समझने के लिए, लेकिन वो सच्चे होता है बोल के कोई गारंटी नहीं। जो कल रिजल्ट आएगा उसके ऊपर पक्का।
लेकिन आपको क्या लगता है? चलिए, आप एग्जिट पोल के बारे में ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन आपको क्या लग रहा है कि कौन आ रहा है देश में?
देखिए, आज कांग्रेस बीजेपी सोचेगा तो बीजेपी और कांग्रेस छोड़ दीजिए, लोग मोदी का फेवर में है। अच्छा, तो मोदी का फेवर का वजह से बीजेपी को वोट गिर सकता है।
क्या मोदी जी का खाली चेहरा देख के लोग जो है बीजेपी की तरफ जा रहे हैं?
चेहरा नहीं, उसका काम का तरीका,
उसका काम अच्छा कर रहा है ना, उसको तो देश में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। अच्छा, वो देश को वो आराम से वो गलत कुछ नए ऐसे नहीं तो वो ले जा रहे हैं, इसलिए मोदी को वोट मिलेगा।
What do you think, sir, this time as far as BJP is concerned?
has done a very wonderful job for the last 10 years. There is no comparison between the Congress Jamana and the Modi or BJP Jamana. So Modi has given a very good governance. He should win and he will win. Okay, right. There is no doubt.
Sir, आप क्या कहेंगे?
वो बीजेपी पक्का आएंगे।
Okay.
पक्का बीजेपी।
So these are the voices that you're hearing right now from Bengaluru, that people seem to be completely in favor of BJP. Also, let me also ask you, sir, कि प्रज्वल रेवन्ना का जो मामला था, क्या वो इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है बीजेपी को स्टेट में?
वो कुछ नहीं हो सकता है। बीजेपी को उसमें कुछ नहीं होता है। वो इलेक्शन के बाद में होगा ना। वो
मोदी को देखता है, वो प्रज्वल को नहीं देखता है, मोदी को देखता है।
Right. So as you see, these are the voices from Bengaluru. This time, if we see JDS and BJP are in alliance also. So, the people seem to be very excited to see what comes tomorrow. But clearly, the voices seem to be in support of BJP right now.
That's right. At least the voices you got us, Pinky. Thank you very much for giving us those voices. We'll have to see if the voices that are being reflected here, they seem quite in tandem, at least with the exit polls that are coming out. We'll have to, of course, wait and see what the results throw out initially. But let's just shift focus to Bengal, where my colleague Adrija joins us in Kolkata. In fact, if you look at the average exit polls, they are around 23 seats of the 42 that's been projected for BJP. If this comes through, it's going to be a huge jolt for the TMC because